Hello everyone, Thomas Calla, Pinnacle Luxury Homes Group, your expert in real estate in the Greater Victoria neighborhood. Just wanted to bring forward 5 tips for selling your home this spring and summer. Number 1, choosing the right agent. Now more than ever, who you work with matters. You make sure you choose the right agent to ensure that your home is sold. The first thing to do is ensure that your agent has a marketing plan. Ensure that your agent doesn't just stick a sign in the ground and list it on the MLS. The market's shifted, and nowadays you actually have to market a home to get it sold. Ensure that they do quality brochures to get your home sold. Maybe they do just listed postcards and they hit 10 to 20 to 30,000 homes in your neighborhood. Or they do some print stuff like magazines. Whatever they may do to get your house sold, ensure that your agent has a plan. The number 2 thing is make sure that you have a plan. When do you want to move by? What's the best closing day? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, end of the month, middle of the month? Can you close and move on the same day? Our average days to sell a condo, a single family home, and a townhouse in March of 2020 in Victoria was 31 days. So if you list your home today, it's going to be sold within 31 days if you chose the right agent. So in 31 days, and your closing is going to be 60 to 90 days out, do the math on it. Do you want to be moving for April now? Do you want to be moving in June, July, August, September? Whatever it may be, work with your agent to ensure you have a plan. The third thing is curb appeal is everything. How does your house look during the day? Does it look good when you drive by? A lot of buyers drive by a home before they actually step inside the door. How does it look at night? A lot of buyers after work, your house gets listed on the market, they take a drive by. Does it look good? Does your house have nice lights? Is your house one of the houses in the neighborhood? If you're taking your kids out at Halloween, it's probably the house that you're going to avoid. If so, we should probably brighten it up at night. Pare down your possessions, number 4, and clutter. How does your house look when it comes to possessions? Do you have a lot of winter stuff in your house? Do we need to pack that away? Boots and winter and shovels and stuff like that, skis. You're moving. You're listing your house for sale in spring or the summer. We plan on moving the next 60 to 90 days. Let's get rid of that winter stuff. Let's start packing today because we're going to be moving in, like I said, 60, 90, 120 days. Pare down your possessions. Prepare your home for a showing. It's very important that we get rid of clutter and we make sure that your home shows well for showings, not just in person, but through photos and video as well. And the last thing, number 5, is get a pre-listing home inspection done. For between $300 and $500, it's a very good investment in your home. If you've deferred maintenance over the last couple years and haven't really been up to speed on what's going on in your house, it's definitely worth the investment. Your perimeter drains should be cleaned out between 2 to 4 years. If you haven't done that, it doesn't hurt to get them cleaned out now. We don't want to have any unexpected surprises on accepted offer during the inspection. Very important, let's do that now before we list your home to make sure, like I said, no unexpected surprises. If you have any questions about real estate in Greater Victoria, feel free to drop me a line below. Give me a phone call, send me an email or a text message. If you have any friends or family looking to buy, invest, or sell in Victoria, would love to speak with them too. Thomas Calla, Pinnacle Luxury Homes Group, your expert in real estate in the Greater Victoria neighborhood.